Lifestyle design, that is what it is all about. Dr. Greg here. You should live a life that you love. And that means a life with meaning and purpose, doing interesting things in beautiful places. If you're a doctor, a surgeon, an accountant, an attorney, any kind of highly trained professional, you shouldn't be stuck being miserable. You should be happy. And the way you're happy is by doing stuff you love, beautiful locations, building something great, but fitting within a lifestyle that you desire. Don't work more than you want. Don't work nights or weekends if you don't want to. You don't have to work holidays. And make sure that you have time for the stuff that matters, like your family and your friends, your kids, exercise and sleep, good food. It's possible to do all of that. It's possible to do the stuff you love to do, to help out humanity, to live with meaning and purpose, be in a place like this, all right, and have the schedule you want. It's called lifestyle design. You worked hard. You earned it. You're worth it. Don't be stuck toiling away doing something you don't like. Do something you love. Let's talk about it. Dr. Greg here, and we'll make it happen.